Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by duplicating the background and creating a new layer above it so edits remain non-destructive. Once done, set that new layer to screen or overlay to let light add up naturally. Use the elliptical marquee tool to draw the rough spotlight shape and apply a heavy feather, around 100 to 300 pixels depending on image resolution, so the edge is soft. Make sure your foreground color is white, because you'll use it to paint the light into that selection. With the feathered selection active, fill it with white or paint inside using a soft brush at low opacity, 10 to 40%, to build the effect gradually and avoid clipping. Then add a layer mask to the light layer and switch to a black soft brush to subtly erase areas and shape the beam. This lets you sculpt fall-off and direction. If transitions still look harsh, apply a small Gaussian blur to the layer or tweak the layer's opacity until the highlight reads natural against the scene. Finish by coloring and integrating the spotlight. Create a clipping curves or color balance layer above the light to warm or cool the beam so it matches the scene's light source. Group the related layers and lower the group opacity to blend. If you see a bright hotspot or banding, make sure you're working in 16-bit or slightly reduce contrast and increase feather. This prevents posterization. Finally, zoom out to check scale and make small mask adjustments so the spotlight feels.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.